Welcome to the video tutorial about preparing AC output power cables and signal cables for the SUN2000 12 KTL to 25 KTL. These tools are required. You also need to prepare cables that meet the requirements. Now let's get started. Strip the signal cable to a proper length. If the stripping length does not meet the requirements, the air tightness and waterproof performance of the device may be affected. Strip the output power cable to a proper length. Remove the locking cap and waterproof rubber plug for the signal cable from the connection box. Route the signal cable through the locking cap. Remove the corresponding plug. Route the signal cable through the waterproof rubber plug. Route the cable through the connection box and install the waterproof rubber plug and locking cap in sequence. Prepare signal cable terminals. Insert the wires into the corresponding pins of the terminal and secure the wires. Remove the locking cap and waterproof rubber plug for the AC output power cable from the connection box. Route the cable through the locking cap, waterproof rubber plug, and connection box in sequence. Install the waterproof rubber plug and tighten the locking cap. Prepare AC output power cable terminals. Use a crimping tool to crimp terminals in sequence. Cut the heat shrink tubing to a proper length. Slide the tubing onto a wire. Heat the tubing with a heat gun so it shrinks around the OT terminal. Secure heat shrink tubing on wires one by one. The cable preparation is complete.